In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more columns, specifically multiple columns, in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing a budget, tracking data for work, or creating a list, sometimes you just need more space to capture all the information you have. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring that you can expand your spreadsheets without any hassle. To get started, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive, finding the spreadsheet you want to edit, and double-clicking it to open. If you're starting fresh, simply click on New and then select Google Sheets to create a new document. Once your sheet is open, the first thing you'll need to do is select all the cells. An easy way to do this is by clicking on the small box located at the top left corner of your sheet, where the row numbers and column letters meet. This will highlight every cell in your spreadsheet, making it ready for further action. This is a crucial step because it allows you to apply changes uniformly across your spreadsheet. Next, look for the arrow icon near any column header. These headers are labeled alphabetically at the top of your spreadsheet. Clicking this arrow will open a drop-down menu. This menu houses a variety of options that you can apply to the column, including sorting and other formatting tools. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Insert 26 columns left. By selecting this, you'll automatically expand your spreadsheet with 26 new columns inserted to the left of the column you initially selected. This feature is incredibly helpful for adding a large number of columns all at once, saving you from the tedium of adding columns one by one. Once you've done this, take a moment to check your spreadsheet. You should see that the columns have been successfully added. If you need even more columns on the right side of your existing data, repeat the process. Return to any column header, click the arrow, and this time choose Insert 26 columns right from the drop-down menu. Each set of 26 columns will be added on the side you selected, allowing you to grow your spreadsheet according to your needs. And there you have it. With this straightforward approach, you can easily increase your workspace in Google Sheets, enabling you to accommodate all the information you need. Remember, Google Sheets is a versatile tool, and learning to maneuver its features means efficiency in managing your tasks. Feel free to pause this video or replay sections as you practice these movements in your own documents. Thank you for watching, and have a great day enhancing your Google Sheets skills.